Hey guys, welcome back. Today I'm going to show you how to make your brushes water resistant. So this tip I learned many years ago by my wonderful friend Leslie Fielding. She is on Instagram and she started coating her brushes with nail polish, sometimes with glitter nail polish, all different colors. And I thought, oh my goodness, that is so smart. And so out of all the nail polishes, I really favor this Gelous nail hardener, and you can find it at Sally Beauty Supply in the United States. Of course, you could probably check out Amazon if you're not here locally. I'm in South Texas. So again, Gelous nail hardener, Gelous nail hardener. It's green, the top. They have other ones, of course, like a purple top, but it didn't work as well in my opinion. So I really like this one. So this one has it coated, and you can tell by the bristles it has been used, but the wooden handle is perfectly intact. Now here's one that I did not put the Gelous hardener, and I did use it for a few months, and it's already pretty ruined. I ruined it. So we don't want this, right? We don't want the breakage. So definitely this Gelous nail hardener, once I apply it, I notice that it keeps really well for about maybe 2 to 3 years, and then it'll start peeling off slowly, very slowly. And so I have here these face painting hub brushes, the whole collection, the Veronas, and look at this gorgeous glossy wooden handle. And even though it is absolutely sealed, I just want to take a second precaution and put this nail Gelous hardener on here. This is an Aaliyah brush that we're going to do this to also. And I am not the best at festivals. Like, I will leave my brushes in the water. I am terrible. When it is busy, I'm not thinking about that. I'm thinking about getting these kids taken care of, right? And so we definitely want to take precaution and add this nail polish on. So you'll grab a bead of nail polish and you will put it around this part. The part that where the wood meets the metal, and you're going to brush it into the metal part downwards. And then go ahead and just add the polish in one smooth coat if you can, as far as you think, because you know how much water you put in your basin or your cup. And so just kind of, figure out how far your brushes go into the water, And then also, once you're done doing that, I typically only do one coat. I will put the the tip where the bristles are back on there and then set it aside. But I set them aside where the bristles are touching the tabletop. That way the nail polish will harden inside the metal if there's any opening at all. And so we let them sit there. Typically I let them sit overnight and then I'll use them the next day. And that should be fine. So again, this is a really awesome tip, you guys. I've been using it for so many years, and I figured I would share it with you guys. I think it's super helpful, especially if you're just starting out and you're on a budget and you have to really take care of your brushes. This is a great, extending the life of your brushes. So these are examples of using the face painting hub brushes. They're absolutely wonderful. I'm not even really a one-stroke artist, but I feel very successful using these. So it makes me feel super confident. They're so wonderful. The bristles are thin. They don't take a ton of your paint where you have to man, I just wasted all that paint for one swipe. This is a phenomenal design. And so I really applaud the Face Painting Hub team for creating these. So I wanted to just show you guys more or less the brushes. They're so beautiful and they're absolutely a dream to work with. I was like, oh my God, I made a rose and it looks pretty. I was so proud. So that was a success there. So make sure you put your brushes downward. That way they can dry properly. And here I wanted to show in the collection, there's longer bristles, shorter bristles. So you decide, which one will suit your needs more, or get all of them, of course. So anyway, I wanted to thank you guys for tuning in, staying with me, and yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed the video, and please let me know how this works out for you, because it has worked out for me for so many years to extend the life of your brushes. Alrighty guys, see you in the next one. Take care. Bye-bye.